So in surface areas and volume topic, yesterday we started cone. So let us continue that. Let us do next problem. The area of the base of a cone is area of the base of a cone is 616 square meters. The area of the base of a cone is 616 square meters. Its height is 48 centimeters. This is square centimeters. Its height is 48 centimeters. What is its total surface area? Find its total surface area. Here area of the base of a cone, for a cone the base is a circle. So area of the base of a cone means area of the circle given. So first, base area of a cone, it is given as 616 square centimeters. Base of a cone is a circle, so base area of the cone means area of the circle. Pi r square is given as 616. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius we don't know, we have to find, is equal to 616. Let us write r square as the subject. 616 into 7 by this 22. Let us use 11 table. 11 2s are 22, 11 5s, 11 6. So r square is equal to 196. So r is equal to square root of 196. That is r value is 14 centimeters. So using base area of the cone, pi r square is equal to 616. We got radius of the base, that is 14 centimeters. After getting radius, next height is given. Height is given as h is equal to 48 centimeters. Now using this land height, L square is equal to h square plus r square. That is L square is equal to height is 48 square plus radius is 14 square. Now 48 into 48. So it is 2304. This is 196. So L square is equal to 2304 plus 196. It is 2500. L square is 2500. So L is equal to square root of 2500. That is L value is 50. So after getting L value, now total surface area of a cone we have to find. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into L plus r. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 14. Slant height is 25 plus 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are, it is 22 into 2 into 25 plus 14 is 39. 22 into 2 is 44 into 39. So total surface area of the cone we got 1716 centimeters square. Pi r into L plus r. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 14. L plus our slant height is 50 it is. So 50 plus 14. This is 22 into 2. 50 plus 14 is 64. 22 into 2 is 44 into 64. So it is 2716 centimeters square. Four into 44. Two 2816. Right, next problem. The diameter of a cone is 14 centimeters. The diameter of a cone is 14 centimeters. Its slant height is 10 centimeters. Its slant height is 10 centimeters. Find curved surface area. The diameter of a cone is 14 centimeters. Here diameter is given as 14 centimeters. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter, so 14 by 2. So radius is 7 centimeters. Slant height is given as 10 centimeters. So slant height is equal to, is denoted by L, that is 10 centimeters. Now we should find curved surface area of a cone. This we have to find. Diameter of the base is given as 14 centimeters. Half of the diameter is called radius. So radius will be 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeters. Slant height is given as L is equal to 10 centimeters. Now we should find CSA of a cone. Now CSA of a cone is given by the formula pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Slant height is 10. 7 cancel. 22 into 10 is 220 centimeters square. Right, next problem. The slant height of a cone is 10 centimeters. The slant height of a cone is 10 centimeters. The diameter of the base is equal to slant height. The diameter of the base is equal to slant height. The diameter of the base is equal to slant height. Find curved surface area of the cone. Here slant height is given as 10 centimeters. So slant height is equal to L, that is 10 centimeters. Now given that diameter of the base is equal to slant height, given that these two are equal, diameter of the base, diameter is nothing but twice the radius, slant height is given as 10 centimeters. So radius is equal to 10 by 2, that is radius is 5 centimeters. After getting radius and slant height, now curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L formula. Pi is 22 by 7, radius is 5 centimeters, slant height is 10 centimeters. So it is 1100 by 7 centimeters square. Right, fourth problem. The radius of the base of a cone is 7 meters, 7 centimeters, its slant height is 9 centimeters. The radius of the base of a cone is 7 centimeters and its slant height is 9 centimeters. Find its volume. Here base radius R is equal to 7 centimeters given. Next slant height, that is L is equal to 9 centimeters. Now we should find volume of a cone. Volume of a cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is volume of a cone. So 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7. Radius here, radius is 7. So it is 7 square. Height we don't know. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. In place of h you have write L square minus r square. That is h formula. If you don't know h, if you know r and L, h can be calculated by using this formula L square minus h is r square. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, 7 square is 49. Here L is slant height is 9, radius is 7. So 1 by 3 into 22 into 7 into, this is 81 minus 49. So it is 1 by 3 into 22 into 7 root of 11 minus 9 is 2, 7 minus 4 it is 32. So 1 by 3, 22 into 7, 32 can be written as 16 2s are 32, 16 you can take it out. 1 by 3, 22 into 7, this is 4 into root 2. Now 1 by 3, 22 into 7 into 4, root 2 value is 1.414. So you multiply these four numbers and by 3. Like this only you keep the answer, that is the volume. Multiply 22 into 7 into 4 into 1.414, you will get the numerator value by 3. You keep this answer as a fraction only, so that is the required volume. So volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. If you don't know h value, h is equal to formula is root of L square minus r square. Here you substitute L and r value, you will get h root 2. Root 2 in place of root 2 you write 1.414, multiply the numerator by 3 you write as it is. This is the answer.
16.
Right, question number 5. The curved surface area of a cone is is 2310 centimeters square. If its slant height is 35 centimeters, if its slant height is 35 centimeters, find its base radius. Now CSA of a cone is given as 2310 centimeters square. Next, slant height is given, L is equal to 35 centimeters. Now R value you have to find out. Curved surface area of a cone is given as 2310 centimeters square. Slant height is 35 centimeters. Now we should find out base radius. Curved surface area of the cone is given by the formula pi r L, that is 2310. Pi is 22 by 7. Base radius we should find out. Slant height is 35. 7 5s are. So R is equal to 2310 by these two comes in the denominator. 22 into 5. 11 2s are 22. 5 1s, 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 221. So base radius is 21 centimeters. Tomorrow we will continue the class.